In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can remove a background in OBS Studio. Now to achieve this, I recommend that you use a green screen or blue screen for the best result. So here I'm going to go to my OBS Studio. Let me remove my video capture device. Alright, so we're starting from scratch now. So what you want to do is select plus in sources, select video device capture, then select OK. Then you're going to choose your camera device. So here I'm using my ZVE camera. Then select OK. Then right click, select filters. Now right click on your source. This is the camera that you just added. Then select filters. Then under effect filters, you're going to select the little plus icon. Then select Chroma Key. Then select OK. Now by default, my key color type is green. So from the drop down, you can choose whatever color you're using as your background. So I'm going to select green again. And these are parameters that you can adjust for different outputs. So I'm okay with the default, so I don't need to tweak them, right? So I'm going to select default to ensure my values are corrected, and then select close. And then when we minimize it, that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.